Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to create a Facebook Lite account. So if you want to create a Facebook Lite account, first of all you have to open up your Facebook Lite application, and after opening your Facebook Lite application, tap on create account, and after tapping on create account, tap on next, and now you have to enter your first name and then enter your surname, and after entering your name, now you have to enter your mobile number. And after entering your mobile number, now you have to enter your date of birth. And after entering your date of birth, tap on next. And now you have to choose your gender. And now set a password for your account. And after creating a password, tap on next. And after tapping on next, you have finished creating your account. Now just tap on sign up. And after tapping on sign up, tap on OK. And then if you would like to save your password, you can just tap on save password, and you can save your passwords. And now you will receive a 6-digit code on your WhatsApp or SMS. You can choose anything you like, and after choosing that, now tap on send code, and after entering that code, now you can add a profile picture for your account. So if you would like to add a profile picture, just tap on the profile picture and you can add an image, or you can also skip this option. And after skipping this option, you can see you have successfully created your Facebook Lite account. So this is how you can create your Facebook Lite account. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.